ダでも最近森林浴がとても人気になってるみたいなんですね。で、今日はそのカナダの森林浴のツアーに参加してみたいと思います。Hello!
Hi!
My name is Masayo.
Hi, Masayo. My name is Rana.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Welcome to Banff.
Thank you.
I'm so looking forward to taking you on this Shinrin-yoku walk to try forest bathing here in Banff in Canada. What we're going to do today is we're going to head down this trail down towards the Bow River, and we're going to start with more of a sensory activity to help you switch gears and soften into the landscape. And so at about this is where we're going to do our first invitation.
Yeah.
It's a sensing invitation,
Yeah.
and it's going to take about 10 to 15 minutes.
Okay.
So I invite you to go just find a place that you're drawn to and just have a seat. Smell your hand and catch the scent of whatever. And the prompt question for this one is, in 1 to 3 words, what are you noticing?
The sound of water and the water flow and my life, everybody's life. When I arrived here, many things in my head, but in the sound of the river, yeah, it went out one by one, and not completely yet, but yeah,
Settling.
yes.
Yeah. So this next invitation is called What's in Motion.
Yeah.
It's very simple. We're going to meander down the trail, and I'm just inviting you to notice what's moving in this space. Today you might see movement, you might hear it, you might feel it. So just be curious around movement in this.
Yes. So near my foot down,
Yeah.
little branches and the flies,
Oh, yeah.
yeah, moving, and shadow moving, and on the other side of the river, big trees are moving by the wind.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
it's very nice.
Yeah. This next invitation is called Treasure Hunt. And it's the idea that there's something in this forest that is a gift to you from the forest. It's a treasure that only your heart will recognize. And I'm going to give you the next several minutes to just wander and see what treasure the forest has for you today.
Harmony or peace, or I am accepted, and happiness.
So this next invitation is, I just invite you to go connect with the water. If you gaze at the water or you listen to the water. So I'm going to invite you to go find a spot down by the water. It could be back where we came from or right around here. I noticed there's a handful of people over there, but just find a spot that's yours to just connect to the water. Okay?
This is music.
Music. All right, so our last invitation, Seo, is a little forest tea.
Oh,
Yeah.
wow. So nice.
So what I have for us in our teapot is I have a little bit of spruce
Yes.
and a little bit of fir actually.
Uh-huh.
So spruce and firs, they're really high in vitamin C. I know
see.
you've been traveling, so we want to keep your immune system up.
Yes.
So you can smell that. Yeah, it's in our little teapot. This invitation to friendship with nature does of course entail a willingness to be alone out there. Yet aloneness is anything but lonely. Indeed, the beauty of nature is often the wisest balm, for it gently relieves and releases the caged mind.
That's wonderful. これまで森林浴っていうと森の中を散策したり鳥の声を聞いたり、木や草花の香りを楽しんだりもちろんそういうふうに森に親しむことあったんですけれども今回はもう本当に全く違う森林浴でこう自分自身を開いてその中に森を取り込んで自分自身も森に応えていくっていうかなんか全く違う体験で森とこうすごく深くつながって仲良くなれたそんな気がします。
So I invite you to come to Canada and experience our beautiful forests and rivers and mountains for yourself.